everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am going back to Delhi for another shoot, so let's see how this one goes. So this is my first shoot of the year, so I am very excited and just want to make it really nice and exciting. Even if there is no COVID anymore, you must wear your mask because it's very important. There are millions of viruses in the air and atmosphere, and you're traveling with so many people, so it's very important to keep it with you. So mine was a window seat, but this was a handicapped couple, so I gave them my seat. And here I was trying to read, and I also watched a movie on flight. It is just so boring. I had to keep myself entertaining. It was burning in Bombay, but oh my god, when I reached to Delhi, it was so cold. Anyway, this was my hotel, and I was not happy with it because the area looks like Paharganj, and in Delhi, it's very scary to get a hotel if it is out of Aerocity. So I was just scared and I just wanted to relax myself. So I ordered some food and I was just chilling. I was watching movies till then. So the most important thing when you are going to shoot the next day is that you need to keep yourself hydrated because otherwise you will be very bloated in the morning and your skin won't look so good. So here I am hydrating myself and the movie was very bad. भाई बड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है यार, सच में क्या है ये, देखो, very bad. So when I say sometimes disaster happen, this is what I mean. Good morning. All set already. Let's go and shoot. It is all about the client to book your stay, but I don't know why this time they booked me that stay and not in the Aerocity. But that's fine, I just had to spend the night there. My call time was at 6 and this guy just came at 5:30, and imagine the energy he had at that time was insane. I can't make you guys hear to what song he was playing because then my video will get copyright, but it was crazy. I was on time on the set and I was the first model whose hair makeup started, so I was just trying to wake myself up. But I didn't have to try so hard because this hairstyle was already taking a spin on my head. It was so damn tight and we were supposed to wear this hairstyle for entire shoot. So I was going to keep this hairstyle for entire day. Just look at this and you will understand what I mean. That it is so tight. I changed into my first outfit. It was a very beautiful cord set dress. After my makeup, hair, and jewelries, I was standing for my turn. Shoot was already started with the another model, and this was our set for the day. And here are beautiful jewelries and foods which I am going to enjoy for this shoot. Here are our changes, which was 7 to 8 for the day. And here comes the sweetest makeup artist, Ashima.
What's happening? What's happening? Are you recording? Yeah. Yourself?
No, you.
Oh, me?
Till that time, designer was worried about the chai, but as soon as she saw me recording this shoot, this happened. Okay. No BTS. She asked me to not record any BTS or anything from the shoot, but I was myself. I had to record because I need to show you guys what happens on shoot. It's not like I was not listening to her, it's just that we can't post the videos before the shoot launches. That is why I couldn't post this vlog, but now the shoot is out. If you guys want to watch the shoot photos and videos, do go and see on Instagram. I was shooting for Ridhima Basin. If you search her, you'll find all the pictures from this shoot. Do let me know how do you like the pictures and videos. Then you'll clearly know what the mess we make for those pictures. Just look at the green room now, and when I just came to the shoot was very different thing. And here are some of my BTS from the shoot. This shoot was going very fast because we were doing videos on the other set and photos on another. At this point, I was done with my videos and I was waiting for my photos to be clicked. There was another model shooting there, and here are BTS of the photo shoot. Designers, this collection is going to launch in Dubai, and here I was changed into my another look. We were about to get a lunch break and I couldn't wait to eat. It was a very big team, and here are the production. They are always chilling on the set. I had 3 cups of coffee. Still, I was feeling very sleepy because I woke up like around 5:30, and of course, the hotel was not good, so I couldn't sleep well. This is especially for those who think that modeling is a very easy job. Here was my legs dying because we were wearing heels throughout the shoot. With my 4th cup of coffee, I chose to have Coke alongside the heater because the weather was very confusing. And here is my lunch. I was so excited because I was going to break my intermittent fasting. So I was starving and I was going to eat every bit of it. After lunch, we have to touch up our hair and makeup to start shooting again. And here photographer was selecting the photos which were finalized and was the campaign shots. It is just coming out so beautiful. I was loving it. And this was my last look. I was so happy. I just wanted to go home. Pack up. I was so happy and worried at the same time because shoot got over early and I had lot of time till my flight, and just look how quickly set and every people just flies off after the shoot is complete. After spending 30 minutes to decide what to do and which friend to meet in Delhi, I chose to go to airport directly because I was very tired and I didn't want it to get stuck in Delhi's traffic. And guess what? I came to my favorite place, which was Socials. This just made me alive and I was dying for a cappuccino, and it was so relaxing. I had some amazing food. After that, I was just wondering why Bombay does not have such places where people can chill. I mean, just look at this. This is so beautiful. This is the most funny thing happened. I got an auto rickshaw till the airport and there was all the cars and I was the only person in the auto. I don't know, in Bombay it is not allowed, but how come in Delhi it is allowed to arrive in an auto at the airport?
अलाउड नहीं है ऊपर लाना, पर आप ले आते हो ऐसे हैं.
The auto driver took a very high risk of dropping me till here, but it was indeed very fun for me. He dropped me and flew off like a flight. Even after spending 2 hours at Socials, I was early at the airport, so I was just completing my walk and completing my steps. And guess what? I walked 20,000 steps and reached till the end of the airport. I always wanted to see what is on the other end of the airport, so I did walk that day because I had a lot of time. And then finally my check-in started and I was inside the plane. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for joining and stay tuned for another video. Until next time, bye bye.